Welcome back, guys. You are watching Web of Saying. So this is video number 4. Yes, it is video number 4. In this video I am talking about how is the things is running. Before this, first of all I will try to reduce saying like that's words, cause I think and I found it myself I use these words very most of the time. That's why I will try to avoid it. So in order to understand what the things we are going to learn in that video, in this video I am talking about the some remaining part of the storytelling. Yes, my dear friend, there was some topics I had uh, I left it in previous video, but in this video I will cover here and expect some things new, and I will summarize in just 30 to 40 seconds of our previous audio. So this is we are going to see in this video. I hope you all are extremely well. This is your Vaibhav and you are watching Vaibhav Sings. Let's get started without wasting single second of your time. So as we have see what the things I did covered in the last video, that is was your star method. Star method: S stands for your situations, T is for what task you assigned, and A what action you did and what was results come from your action, that was the R. These four things we have talked about in your last videos, and this was the star method. We gave you a name. Now in this video I am talking about ICE. Just it is nothing. ICE, this is the second method, which is nothing, just was for the after it's come from star method. So if you learned ICE method and if you are familiar with this word, then you will more sound emotionally connected with your interviewer and the peoples who are taking your interview as a higher manager or something and whatever. Like in any life or at any stage at your life, you if you are want to become sounds more attached, more memorable, uh, more emotionally connected with the some other ones to build the relation. That's why this thing's gonna to be most important, that is the ICE. uh, so how is the ICE? Firstly, I stands for insights. Insight, if we are break the word insight, it will be comes from observation. What the all the things you observed and the what's the conclusions of your saying from situations to result. Don't take the it's a separate thing of ICE. It is just comes after star method is finished. You have to say this ICE method after your star, then it everything will be complete here. That's why remembering and knowing about ICE method is important. So let's see, guys, what's the meaning of IC. IC is, I say, I is for insights, the observation you comes from your situations method, that stands for I. And C is connection. What the connections of your through your when you are saying something, insights, from your insights, what is the connection you want to expecting from the others people from your interview, what's the expectations of yours, what's the insight and the connections you can build. It should be from your role model. You have to tie your back uh, insight to your career, like job role model. After completing and telling you all about ICE, I will give you some example, then you automatically understood what the things is happening. So don't take it as just what the things is happening here, so leave it. And now just relaxedly and calmly understand what I said. I said ICE. I stands for insight. Insight is nothing, just observation from your situations to uh, result. And the C for connections. Connections, you have to give the answer in that way. Your growth, your job roles, your like job roles and your growth, it should be something like that. You have to connect that insight and your related field, it should be connected. This is thing. And IC and E for emotions. And what the you have the emotions after talking all the about the stuff. You are, I guess, talking about 1 minute on your topic, and what's the your emotions, and these emotions again related to your uh, situations to C process, situations to connection process. What the emotions you have, what you are finding inside you, you have to tell about this. This is the thing. Now I'm gonna to talk take an example. After taking the example, you will able to understand what's the things able. First, if I talked about here, it's mean it is a structured answer, and if I am going to talked about here, then it is the breakdown of my all the things what I told you in uh, previous videos. So let's see examples. I'm talking about the like such as a essay. During internship at Hologrid startup, which was edutech company, that was your situation. As I talk, let's see. First of all, I talked about the situation. What on what things I'm gonna talked about. That is the I gave the situations. And this is the first step. Now S, after the S, what's the things come? T. During internship at a Holograde company, which was edutech company, uh, there I was founded. There I was founded the bad performance of API backend. That was the task. Bad performance of APIs in a backend. There was the bad performance of the APIs. Uh, in order to reduce that stuff, I did something suspicious which makes which makes everything perform which makes the performance increase by 40%. That by using your JavaScript and the React and the Java files integrated things I did used in that way. From this tip, now I talked about the two things parallelly. First, I talked about the STAR actions and the result. I also talked about the both of things parallelly, and now I'm talking about the I and CE integrated ICE. And what was the insights? Through this experience, I get realize. Through this experience, I get realize. Uh, through this experience, I get realize how small things changes in our architectures have a huge impact. That was your insight, like observations. Now let's if I talked about the connection, so the connection would be I'm thrive. I found it myself more comfortable. That's why I am doing this kind of the job. In the past, I have also did worked on the back end. Now I am feeling myself is more comfortable and well able to work here. That's why I choose the career option as a back end. I talked about three things here. Is my emotions, what so my emotions and the connectivity. I told about I have the in previous I have the experience in the backend. I worked here, so I connect the things. These is the things I did. So I hope you are able to understand. If I talked about the another example in a different sector, then I talked, then it will take some times to process in my brain. But yeah, it's totally depend on you. Just don't you have to take these examples very seriously. You just it was just examples to realizing me. I know I'm not able to explain you a very well way the examples, but what the things I try to share with you, that's keep this thing in your brain and try to by yourself firstly subconsciously revise this thing and do practice by yourself without talking, and then afterly mumbling and through your mumbling you can practice on this and make the videos and do something practice with your internship jobs and whatever you can give the jobs is you can do. This is the simple things that will be enhance your storytelling skills. These basically these 4 5 6 7 things, STARICE, these things I do. Just only three things I will try to making the answer. Whenever I speaking some things, I don't take the mostly I'll use the words, not I do use the words which is more powerful, more energetic and sounds more confidently. Such kind of words I use while framing the answer, then it's automatically sounds more storytelling, more good sounds it's do. So yes guys, this is the all about my storytelling, what the things I do. Now in upcoming videos I'll try and I will surely make the videos on the coding structures, how you give the answer of coding. Whenever someone's asking me, this is the coding questions, now solve it, the way of solving and the deal, how you deal, there is no one's like, if you are thinking, if there someone's give me the coding question, now you open your laptop and writing the required answer and making the logic, that's the things we have to do. No, it's don't we do in industry. While the interview we mostly do, that is the some things which we will talk on the upcoming video. So yeah, so in this video, yes guys, this is just the this is I guess enough. In other video we will talk to you what the things run in industry. As long as I get realizing the things happening, I talked and I do work on the other things. For this video and up to here, I guess it's enough. So yeah, we will I will see you later guys. Bye bye, see ya. And yep, don't forget to take care of your body. Go to gym, do some exercises, make your body more attractive, more dynamic personality. That will be automatically make you a different and awesome personality. So bye bye guys, have a great day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.